Introducing the GIF Creator. Make your ads move and create templates in all different sizes and dimensions. Insert your logo and have it automatically integrated to your design. This single app includes thousands of ready-made templates. Have complete control over the customization process. Get access to hundreds of design assets, vectors, backgrounds, and more. Find ready-made templates available in all dimensions. You can even resize your designs to any size you want. Make your design stand out with various fonts. And watch your designs come to life. Purchase GIF Creator now and watch your ads move.